This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Sheets as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Sheets. If I open that, it opens up Google Sheets as an app. Everything basically still works the same. The way to do this, there's two different ways to do it. You could use the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser. First thing, I'm going to delete my app to show you how to do it on either browser. Let me find Google Sheets is right here. I'm going to uninstall it. It is installed as an app on my computer. It is uninstalled. I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it on the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up Chrome here. You want to go to Google Sheets and you want to log in onto Google Sheets. I am on Google Sheets right now. I am logged in. Next thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down and place your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left. And right down here, Install Page as an App. I'm going to click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box will pop open asking you what you want to name it. Then you would just click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. Let me jump over to Edge. I am on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I am on Google Sheets. I am logged in. Next thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu, click on the three-dot menu. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools. And then you'll go straight off to the left and place your cursor over where it says Apps. And then slide straight off to the right, Install this site as an app. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box opens up asking you what you want to name it. Then all you would do is click on Install. I'm going to click on Install. It will automatically open up. There's a little dialog box off to the right side here asking you where you want this app to be pinned to. Do you want to pin it to the taskbar? Do you want to pin it to the Start menu? Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? Auto Start on Device Login? I'm going to just go with Create a desktop shortcut. You just use your own judgment on this. I'm going to click on Allow. I'm going to close this out. Close down my browser. And right here, I have an app called Google Sheets. I'm going to open it up. It opens up Google Sheets as an app. That is how to install Google Sheets as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.